How to cook 500 grams of okra curry in easy steps. Heat pan with vegetable oil. Once the oil is heated, add 2 teaspoons of mustard seeds. After the mustard seeds crack, add 1 spoon urad dal. Once the urad dal changes color, add 500 grams of okra and stir. Add 10 to 15 curry leaves. 1 teaspoon turmeric. 2 teaspoon chili powder. And stir until it mix well. Add 2 teaspoon of pink salt and mix it again. Do not stir too much, else the okra will become sticky. Add little bit of water and stir again. Cook well until the stickiness goes away. Let it cook for 15 minutes in low heat. Transfer the okra to a bowl. Yummy and delicious okra ready to be served. Do follow this easy recipe, and write down the review given by your loved ones in comments section.
Tell me how the latest finger, Ada.